sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford Edge. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, power front seats, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 169 point-by-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.